What up everyone, it's your boy Memthebarber with another tutorial. Now in this video you guys is going to be something different. I really do hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Now before I start, I always like to wet down the hair to get an idea of how my client combs his hair, and also to get an idea of where I'm going to start the fade. So now I have my wall cordless detailers to create my first guideline all the way around. So now I'm going to go ahead and ball down my client to give this fade a nicer look.
DJ also. DJ also.
I have my 1/8 card with the lever all the way closed to create my second guideline. Now there's two reasons why I like to start with the 1/8 card. Now the first reason is it's so much easier for me to do the clip over comb, and also it's also easy to fade into the number 1. Now before I focus on my first guideline, I want to make sure to knock down some of this heavy bulk, and also to blend as much as I can with this clip over comb. So now I'm back with the 1/8 guard, and now this time I'm going to go ahead and open the lever all the way open, just to clean up some of the areas that I left off from the clip over comb. So now I have my 1/16 guard with the lever all the way closed to create another guideline.
DJ also. DJ also.
So I'm still using my 1/16 guard. Now this time I open the lever all the way open to blend into the number 1, which is the 1/8. Now to get rid of this last guideline, I do have my lever all the way open. Now pretty much what I'm going to be doing here is maybe closing the lever little by little and trying to blend as much as I can to get rid of this guideline. Okay, you guys, now before you guys start to judge, I know you guys are so against, pushing back. I'm against it too, but when there's clients that have a small box, there's sometimes where clients don't like to have a small box. They want to stretch it out. So I did my best not to really push him back, but he really does have a lot of hair in his forehead. But you guys, I really try my best to keep it as natural as possible.
DJ also.
So I'm gonna go ahead and trim down some of the hair. Pretty much what I'm doing is just cleaning up the top, and trying to even out everything so that way everything come out nice and even.
DJ also.
So now I'm using the thinning shears to take out some of the weight and, to also, give this haircut a nicer look. When it comes to styling, I always like to use the Elegance hair serum to give it that extra volume. Okay, you guys, now to give this lineup more of a crispier look, I'm going to go ahead and apply some hair dye to give this lineup more of a cleaner look, and also for the haircut to stand out even more. Okay, you guys, well, this is the final look. I really do appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch my tutorial. If you guys end up liking this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and also you guys don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit that notification button or that bell, and stay tuned for my next tutorial. Alright, you guys, till next time.